Why Europe was so hot this summer. Your alarm goes off. You check your phone. Another heat warning. Another record broken. But here's the thing. What you're experiencing isn't random weather. It's not just summer being summer. The real answer is far stranger, and it's written in the air itself. Every summer, heat moves across continents. But this summer was different. You see, the jet stream, that river of fast-moving air high above your head, normally zigzags north and south like a snake. It pushes warm air away. It pulls cool air in. Balance. But this summer, the jet stream got stuck. Scientists call this blocking. Think of it like a traffic jam in the sky. The warm air couldn't escape. It just sat there, over Europe, for weeks. Here's where it gets interesting. The ocean was already warmer than usual. Climate scientist Carlo Buon from the European Commission found that sea surface temperatures in the Mediterranean were running 2 to 3 degrees Celsius above normal. Warmer water means more evaporation. More evaporation means more moisture in the air, and moisture traps heat. Your body doesn't know the difference between humid heat and dry heat. It just knows it can't cool down as fast. But there's a deeper layer. In 2021, researcher Jennifer Francis published work showing that as Arctic ice melts, the temperature difference between the poles and the equator shrinks. When that difference shrinks, the jet stream moves slower. When it moves slower, it gets stuck more easily. So the heat you felt this summer wasn't separate from climate change. It was connected to it, directly. What made this summer unique was the combination. You had the blocked jet stream, you had the warm Mediterranean, you had reduced cloud cover over parts of Europe. Less cloud means more direct sunlight reaching the ground. And you had something else. The Azores High, a region of high atmospheric pressure that normally sits over the Atlantic. This summer, it expanded eastward, pushing even more hot air into Europe. The numbers tell the story. Greece experienced temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius. Spain and Portugal saw wildfires spread across millions of acres. Heat-related deaths spiked across the continent. But here's what most people missed. Your ancestors experienced heat too. They just experienced it differently. They moved. They rested during the hottest hours. They adapted their entire culture around avoiding the worst of it. You can't move your city. You can't stop the jet stream. But understanding why it happened, understanding that this wasn't random, that it was the result of specific atmospheric and oceanic conditions stacking on top of each other, that changes something. It makes the heat less like a mystery and more like a puzzle with pieces you can actually see. So when you check that weather app tomorrow and see another heat warning, you'll know exactly what's happening in the sky above you. The jet stream is stuck. The ocean is warm. The air can't cool down. And that alarm on your phone? It's not just telling you it's hot outside. It's telling you something about how the planet works, how it's changing, and what that means for the summer ahead.
Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.